most of the students from AB department, Bachelor of Arts. This, ginahan sila kayo matambay diri, kaya tungkol kay Bugnaw. Yeah, ang mga food is very affordable. Lasad ko no, sarado siya karon kay nag-day off ang karon na Baligya.
Okay, ito obviously no.
Tungkol sa Linog, of course. Then, ang kuan, the main reason ano na adyo dili sila matambay-tambay tungod sa free wifi. Diba? Diba?
What the fuck? What the fuck say?
Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny.
So we have here Mr. Silverio Mercader, yes, taking BS Company, and he is here in their court where he's playing together with his friends. And okay, so the question goes way, why do you love to hang out in this place?
Because this place is very meaningful to me.
Why?
I play here because this is a basketball court and my passion is basketball.
So you are a fan of playing basketball?
Yeah.
Okay, so the main reason that you love to play here, and of course to develop your skills, do you have a plan to become a varsity in this school?
I do, but I think I can't because too hard. It's very hard.
So the standards are actually difficult to
really.
achieve. Alright, so I guess that's all, and thank you so much.
How will you speak to that?
What does the fuck say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say? What does the fuck say?
Secret of the fox, ancient mystery. Somewhere deep in the woods.
Okay, so all ilang field. Ano siya nga field is the only field nga na ang University of Cebu, University of San Carlos. Yung sa Talamban, ang soccer field kundi in most of their games sa ilang intramurals are held here like ball sa soccer. That's good. So karon wala may mga tao nga nag-soccer, wala pa din lugar na sad, but at least ready na tao.
What the fuck say? What the fuck say? Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. What the fuck say? What the fuck say?
Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still.
We are here again with SCPC, and we are now here in their library.
Your fur is red, so beautiful.
October, at least prepare na sila kay Bagnag natin. Wata kayo ba? Maling pag-prepare, no? I believe that computer science covered 5 years in there. 4 to 5 years in the degree. Right, so Farah is a student here in USCPC, and she loves to be here, to chill, relax, and of course to have her studies in this area. So this is library, so we would like to ask Farah, so come over here. So, okay, Farah, why would you like to have, or anong ginahan man ka mag-stay diri sa imong free time? So you love reading books, alright? So aside from reading books, what you love to read? Maglaro-laro yun at ako. Because the thing is actually, if you were able to see the whole area, you would believe...
Every floor. Last lang ni Mom.
Okay, that's why they are all here. So that's like internet TV. So we have that. Okay. So, kung nabayad sa Mr. Ling, at least free ang wifi niya. Diba? So, alright, so, yun sa library. What's the main reason ka ng library? Like, ilong. Just on that. Mga focus. What else? Right.
Usually, yung access naman ako ang
Ma-access.
wala yung disturb mo.
Of course. Kaya itong bulito ka na nga. Dahil sa mga pink